Is that today is 20th of Feb. You can see that the date is here. This matter is already sub judice, and when the matter is sub judice, still going ahead and cutting the cable is something which should have not been done. From ISP side, under Article 19, it is the fundamental right of ours to do the business, and it is also the fundamental right of all the residents and companies those are operating in Goa to get the essential services, which is internet. Here it is not matter about just cables, it is matter of what are the alternate solutions government has gone ahead and put. You can go ahead, talk about removing the poles, you can talk about anything else. Under the ROW policy 2024, it very categorically mentions that electricity poles which are street furnitures can be used by telcos and ISPs for expanding their network. This is our fundamental right. This is being governed by the central government policy. And the official gazette of Government of Goa, which is 13th of April 2023, also talks about that the nodal agency is Department of IT. All the ISP players are compliant ISPs. We have all submitted all our applications. As a matter of fact, that when the electricity department has asked for, we have gone ahead and submitted a copy to electricity department as well. We only humbly request, let's not go ahead and penalize the end customer. The customer has got the fundamental right to get the internet. You are depriving the customers, the end customers, like Mervyn has mentioned about the students. What is going to happen to their examinations? Are they ready to prepare for the examinations when the internet is not available? Because large chunk of students are working online, they are studying online. The remote workers, those are operating in Goa, their entire office job is being hampered completely. As been mentioned, there are a lot of government offices as well. Their operations are being halted. Mapsa Court is being halted.
This could be a life or death situation. Elderly people that need the internet to be able to function and communicate. For your emergency services could die because they don't have proper internet connectivity.
Now, which place is you have seen the cutting of cables right now?
This is the place which is
Miramar.
But it's happening all over the place. Not only here, yeah. It's happening everywhere, and
It is going on everywhere.
It is going on continuously, one place or the other place. As Mervyn has mentioned, we know the mobile coverage in Goa. We all depend upon Wi-Fi. As soon as we reach our places, we ensure that our mobiles are live on the Wi-Fi. Now, if the Wi-Fi is not working and something happens to the senior citizen, who is going to take the responsibility? Government of Goa, Electricity Department, Department of IT, who is going to take the responsibility? We humbly request, let's come together. Let's find a solution. You are not just going ahead and creating a mess, you are creating one. You are not removing the mess, you are creating one. Understand the situation. Students are the future of India. What are you doing with students? Their future is completely blacked out. Please try and understand, it is request to all. It is our fundamental right. It is the fundamental right of the citizens of Goa to get internet connectivity. And whosoever is coming and talking about illegal, Department of IT has submitted a letter to Department of Electricity that all the compliant players, wherein the name of ours, name of Mervyn, name of all the ISP operators is already mentioned in that particular file, who has already submitted all the documents which are required as per the norms set by the central government under the policy 2024 of ROW. ROW policy talks about that poles can be used, nobody can stop us. Somebody is passing on the message that electricity poles cannot be used, poles can be used. You are contradicting central government policy. You are depriving the residents of Digital India being promoted by Narendra Modi ji. Our Honorable Prime Minister is so much concerned that the remotest possible person should get the internet. Here you are depriving the entire state of Goa. This is something which is...
So you mean to say you don't have to pay for poles as
No,
department
that's not
says.
what we're saying. There's another clarification. It's very important to understand. We are asking for nothing for free. We have submitted our applications. We are willing to pay whatever is required. You'll want to go 5 years back, 10 years back.
Into how different states were having different methodologies, how to connect, how to charge. There were, each state was interpreting it. Now the central government has formalized what are the rates, how it is to be done. But if the state government of Goa is not adopting those principles which are there and taking their own decisions, then the end customer is definitely going to suffer. And as ISP operators, the matter is sub judice. So any action which is done when the matter is in court amounts to contempt of court. So our humble request is, everyone should respect the laws of the land and not go around cutting the cables, holding the innocent residents at ransom.
And second thing is that one in Panjim location, second was in Mapsa. We said this is the way we can go ahead and do it. We also want to make sure that all these cables which are hanging can be neatly tidy work which can be done, and we have showcased that. Somebody should come and give us the guiding principle. This is based on our understanding. We are requesting, show us the methodology how we should be carrying out the cables, and we will surely do it. Serve the demand notes to us, we'll make the payments. Do not sending show cause notice. We are not criminals here. We have been supporting the entire Goa residents from past 30-40 years when none of the telcos were there. Now some telcos have come and you are making sure that all these local Goan companies are vanished. They'll be killed just because somebody has come from some other location, a big telco. What are we trying to say?
The early